Hello friendly faces, welcome to another video. So this week I thought we could have a look at growing lettuce in a container on a kitchen windowsill. If you haven't got a garden, this is a good way you can grow your own fresh salad leaves. So I've been to the garden centre and I've got a range of different types of lettuces to plant. So the first thing we're going to need is a container. This is a nice bright purple one to go on the windowsill, and as you can see it's already got pre-made drainage holes in it. Next we'll need to fill the container with compost. This is a nice peat-free compost, and when you fill it, don't fill it right to the top, leave a little bit of space for watering. So onto the planting, and the first two we're going to use are red little gem, a small red cos lettuce, and Barilla, a butterhead lettuce. A cos makes a tight head and a butterhead makes a looser head, which makes a bit of a difference to planting distance in a border, but that won't affect us because we'll be picking the leaves as they grow. So we'll get the first plant out. Now this should have quite a good root system on it, which this one has. There we go, the nice roots there. And we'll plant this in one of the corners. And you want to try and plant to the depth that it was in the container. Next we'll do the same thing with the butterhead lettuce. Get one out, have a quick look at the roots. Yep, they're nice roots. We'll plant that in the opposite corner. Next we'll plant another butterhead lettuce called an oak leaf lettuce, and a radicchio lettuce called Leonardo, and this is a type of Italian chicory. And the same as before, I'll plant these in the opposite two corners. Now as I pull this plant out, you'll see the soil is quite dry, but that's not too much of a problem because lettuce, even though they seem quite delicate, can withstand quite a bit of dryness. Something that's a bit different is putting nasturtiums into salads. All parts of the nasturtiums are edible. The flowers are quite sweet and the leaves have a sort of peppery taste. They're also a good source of vitamins A, C and D, beta carotene, iron, manganese and flavonoids. Next there's some rainbow chard, which has multicoloured stems and can be used in salads or cooked. And also a curly-leaved red lettuce called red salad bowl. When it's all planted up, it's placed on the windowsill on a drip tray and then watered in. So your windowsill might not be big enough to put a container on, but you'd still like to have a go at growing something. But if you've got a small balcony, what you can try are these little planters. I got these for £1 from the Poundland, and they're made out of tin, and you could hook them over the railing on the balcony. Now they come with a small piece of polystyrene in the bottom, which is just used as the packing. Now we can use this to help us when we're water. As you can see, there's no drainage holes in the bottom, so the plant pot can sit on that, and when we water, the plant won't be sitting in water. So the herbs I've got are some parsley, basil and chives, and these are all bought from Sainsbury's. Now these are sold to be grown on a kitchen windowsill, but they never seem to last too long if you grow them just as they come. So what I do, I repot them, and I can get them to last for 3 or 4 months this way. So get a bigger pot, put some compost in, check the depth that the plant's going to be at, you haven't put too much compost in. Take it out of the old pot and then just tease the roots apart a little bit. And then repot it and fill around the sides of the pot with more compost so the plant's in there nice and firm. Then pop it in the container to make sure it's not too high, and that polystyrene was just the right size for the pot. Do the same with the rest of the plants, and then the next thing to do is find somewhere to hang them. So here they are, watered and hanging on a trellis in the garden. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and see you again soon. Bye.